Hello students, welcome to the English grammar video. This is the fifth video of English grammar and this is for standard 8th. See students, in this video of your English grammar you are going to learn about nouns. You have already seen types of nouns and you know what is a noun, right? So we are going to continue with the same topic and will introduce you to some other types of or kinds of nouns. So before we begin, let me tell you what is a noun. So if I say it in a simple words, it means name. Noun is a name given to a person, place or a thing. Now thing can be living and non-living both. If I say thing, it includes animals as well, right? So I said living and non-living, right? So let us move ahead and try and understand what it is. So again there is a question, what is a noun? And so the answer to it is a word used to identify any of a class of people, places or things, common nouns, or to name a particular one of these proper nouns. So simple. If we want to identify a person, places or people that are of common noun or particular of proper noun. So somebody who has a proper noun or a specific name, let us say if I say a village or a city, if I say Anand is a city and Daol is a village. So that is a particular name given to a village or city. The same way we have names for persons. If I talk about humans, we have different names given to different people. Let us say your English teacher's name, Jignesh. Now if we want to talk about the whole of the community that are male, we say boys or men, right? So this is how it goes. Let us move ahead and talk about noun genders. So if we talk about nouns, there are genders of noun. Jati, right? Gender is a system of differentiating nouns and pronouns as one of the following. So if we talk about gender, it's a kind of a system that tells us whether the noun or a pronoun is male, female or what. Okay, so here are four gender systems. Number one is masculine, number two is feminine, number three is common, and number four is neuter, right? Masculine, feminine, common and neuter. These are the four. Now let us move ahead and try and understand it in detail. What is masculine gender? Now a noun or a pronoun that refers to a male character, right? Or member of a species. So इसका मतलब क्या निकलता है कि जो nouns या फिर कोई भी प्रोनाउन या फिर संज्ञा यानी कि नाउन अगर किसी मेल ज्ञाति की बात करते हो या फिर जाति की बात करते हो तो उसे बोलते हैं मैस्कुलिन जेंडर. नेक्स्ट आर द एग्जाम्पल्स. एग्जाम्पल्स इंक्लूड द फॉलोइंग. नंबर वन, बॉय, मैन, ही, ब्रदर, बुल, हिम, lion and actor. See, if you see all these things, so boy, man, he, brother, bull, him, lion, actor, king and hero, these all are used for males. पुरुष जाति के लिए इनका यूज होता है या फिर उपयोग होता है. So that is why it is called masculine gender. जो nouns को हम पुरुषों के लिए यूज करते हैं उनको बोलते हैं मैस्कुलिन जेंडर. तो वैसे ही स्त्रियों के लिए भी यूज़ करते हैं हम कुछ नाउन्स, तो उनको बोलेंगे फेमिनाइन जेंडर, राइट? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. फेमिनाइन समझते हैं. फेमिनाइन जेंडर मीन्स कोई भी वर्ड जो फीमेल्स के बारे में बात करता हो। तो फीमेल्स में हम एनिमल्स की भी बात कर सकते हैं, राइट। यहाँ पे कुछ एग्जांपल्स दिए हैं, लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल्स। एग्जांपल्स इंक्लूड द फॉलोइंग। नंबर 1 गर्ल, राइट, फॉर फीमेल वुमन, शी, सिस्टर, cow, her, lioness, actress, queen, heroine, hind. And here are some helpful hints. These will help you to understand whether a noun is a male or female. So what are the hints? Feminine, like female, begins with the letter F. If a noun has a suffix ending of ESS, S, ein or et, it is feminine. So if a word ends with S, ein or et, that is feminine gender. Now F stands for female or feminine, okay, that you have to understand. Let us move ahead. Common genders. Common means something that can be used for both male or female. So which are the common genders? Let us see. Common gender refers to member of species that can be male or female. यानी कि मेल या फीमेल दोनों में से कोई भी हो सकता है. These can be either male or female. जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बोल दिया. तो ये मेल भी हो सकते हैं, फीमेल भी हो सकते हैं. Let us see examples. Parents. Now parents can be father and mother both. अगर दोनों साथ में आ जाते हैं तो पेरेंट्स बन जाते हैं, राइट. पेरेंट. नेक्स्ट चाइल्ड. चाइल्ड कैन बी अ गर्ल और अ बॉय, एनीवन, राइट. द नेक्स्ट वन इज स्टूडेंट. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इफ इट से स्टूडेंट्स, दैट मीन्स फीमेल स्टूडेंट्स एंड मेल स्टूडेंट्स बोथ. नेक्स्ट सर्वेंट. सर्वेंट कैन बी अ मेल और अ फीमेल एज वेल. फ्रेंड. फ्रेंड कैन बी मेल, फीमेल. Cousin. Cousin, again, if you say specifically cousin brother and cousin sister, then you can identify. If somebody says cousin, that means it can be a boy or a girl, any. Member. Members can be male or female, right? Teacher. Now if you say teacher, that means both male or female. If you want to say specifically, you say sir or madam, right? Next, they is used for more than one. There can be males or females. That's a pronoun. Them is again a pronoun. Now you have understood this. Let us move on to the next. Neuter gender. Neuter gender. What is a neuter gender? A neuter gender, maleness and femaleness doesn't apply. Here it doesn't matter whether something is male or female. It's all about none of them. So you can say that it's neither male or nor female. दोनों में से एक भी नहीं, मेल भी नहीं, फीमेल भी नहीं. So that means these are usually non-living things. तो non-living things उनको neuter gender बोलेंगे. So let us see examples now. Number 1, room, chair, pen, tree, book, star, lake, car, it. Now it is a pronoun, right, that is used for non-living things, right. So this you have to understand. So we have seen all 4 types. Now let us move ahead and see whether you have understood or not. Let us test your knowledge. Prince. So what is the female or feminine gender of prince? Princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, right? Princess. Number 2, lady. So what is the opposite gender of lady? So it is gentleman, right? Next, third one, artist. What kind of a noun is it? It's, yes, feminine. Is it feminine? No, it's common. So artist can be a male or a female. Next, professor can be both male or female. Next, it. What kind of a noun is it? So it is neuter gender, right? Pencil is again neuter, it is lifeless. Next, stewardess. Now generally stewardess you see in aeroplanes, right? So this is, as I told you in hints, ESS. So this is feminine gender. So the masculine gender for this is steward, 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 and the feminine is stewardess. Next one is doctor. Doctor can be both male or female, so that is a common gender. Next, mountain. Mountain is lifeless, so that is neuter gender. Next, actor. Now actor is male, so that is masculine. So what is the opposite or feminine gender for this? Actress, ACTRESS, actress. Next, student. Student can be both male or female, so that is a common gender. Next, puppy. Puppy can be male or female, so again that is a common gender. Next is bank. Now bank can be lifeless, it is lifeless, right? So that is neuter gender. Queen. So what is the opposite of queen? King, right? So if king is masculine, queen is feminine. Next, nurse. Nurse is common gender. Nurse can be a male or a female. Candy. Candy is neither male nor female, so that is common gender. So that's it for today.